How to sync OneDrive files manually. If you have been using the OneDrive application and want to read on how to sync files manually on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto the plus icon just right here at the bottom. Select it. Then choose upload or take a photo. From here, simply tap onto one just like this. Then simply choose the file you want to upload. Just like this, and tap on to add. And after that, the app will immediately start syncing to the cloud. Just right here you can see it is uploading. And that's it. This is how you can sync OneDrive files manually. Now do the same process for other files as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.